What?
You maneuvered, yeah! I'm still down here waiting. Is that dead end or is there,
Yeah.
keep going? At dead ends, Jack.
We go left or no?
You can go left or right. They're both dead ends, but
Both sides are dead end. Paddle them up.
Okay.
Goodbye, you good?
Oh, we go. You can see the roof.
I'm gonna throw me down.
What? You can see the roof up here.
Yeah, you can see them all up there. Like there's a big one over here. So we're only about 10, 15 feet deep right now.
What?
Oh, that was a good picture, Kyle.
You want to get upstairs?
We're gonna tell your dad that you were climbing up a 1,000-foot hole there, okay?
Yeah.
it's only 6 inches wide. You squeezed right through the whole thing. Awesome, dude. All right, you were the last one. Head back?
Okay, it's about time.
Yeah, I
I'm
agree.
hungry, thirsty.
Wow, there's some more roots here.
Yeah,
Dang.
there's a big one back there. So we're only about 10, 15 feet deep right now.
Wow. That's I love seeing the raindrops on them.
Yeah.
That'd be a cool picture.
Yeah. Does my light help or hurt?
Hurt.
Hurt?
Yeah. Okay. Here, Jason. Nah, no, I need something. Yeah, can you turn your light back on? Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's rad.
Go ahead, I'll pick up the rear.
Okay.
Is it,
Um,
raise your hand if you're not here.
One smart aleck in every group, look at his hand.
at least one. At least one.
Of course, it's your son.
Of course.
From here, it's
Nice
about
job.
15, 20 minutes to get out.
That sounds like a plan.
Or you take something a little. We could send them on other passages that parallel, make it a little more difficult for them,
Yeah, let's do that.
and that way they'll be more tired.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. I wouldn't mind a quiet drive home.
Yeah.
So just follow us and we'll let you know which way would be tough.
Can I get past him? We'll pick up the rear here.
Now, if they want to play, there's holes down here. If they want to play in them while we're trying to work our way out and explore.
Great job, buddy. You having fun? This is awesome.
So bad. You got that, Kevin? No. Believe in it. You gotta go all the way back up, bro.
No, you can stay here.
Alright, I'm gonna just take a couple. Where's the root that we put? You going right?
I feel like you got cooler.
It does.
Hey, who? Who did?
Awesome.
I catch my breath.
Well, obviously you're.
So did the guy use, is this area natural or did he blow this out?
This is all natural here.
Wow.
This is all etched by water.
I mean, we've took every small route probable.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty awesome.
Oh, that was the easy. Yeah, I don't know what we were going for. I did.
Is everyone back, or is there Mr. Green yet?
We see his feet.
There he is.
I see a light. Yeah.
How you doing, Mr. Freed?
I'm feeling just wonderful.
Lovely, lovely.
Okay. Who's gonna lead?
Me.
Gonna go up here. Same way we came in. You guys didn't do this other part, but if you go through the arch, once you go down that slope and you go through the arch and you go all the way back, you're going to be in a passage. Some people call it the serpent spine, because the floor of it is like this, and at the far end of it, it's up a little bit more. It looks like a head of a serpent, and the rest of it looks like a spine. If you go up to the head, you make a left and go up there and then over past the rocks so you're standing. Okay, you'll be standing in a hallway, and that's where you want to head for. Does that make sense?
And we'll meet them there?
Hmm?
Will we meet them there?
We're all going to go that way, and then from there, if they want to do something a little different,
Give it my buddy.
they can.
Sorry, I thought you said this was the easy way out.
So, up through there.
Yeah, yeah. You see if you can figure out where you are.
Those are the types of names I was looking for.
You haven't been there before.
The devil's butthole. Like those.
I like that name. I'm going to have to remember that. Which one should that be?
This one right here.
Yeah, that keyhole.
Okay, we're going to rename the keyhole to the Devil's Butthole.
Devil's butthole.
This will go down. So go down?
Yes.
This is literally clay.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Some caves, there's people go and they make statues out of the clay.
Yeah, I saw a penis man.
What?
I saw a no swimmer.
Just stop. Just stop. Oh my god.
No, in here. It was in like a little.
Just stop.
Do you want me to send them down a different hole? And that way, just leave them?
Yeah, just leave them there.
Just leave them there?
Let them sit. Only that one though.
Just that one? Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
I get my own room bed.
I don't know.
Is it though? If we all just like make a pact and not talk about it. Oh,
Says the SBL.
My SPL says so. I tried to give him guidance, but once he makes a decision.
that just makes it more legitimate. If you trust my word more.
So we're all going
Yeah, we're all going to go that way.
All right.
I'm going to send them the back way. And
Kyle just
we'll go the
completely
easy way.
disregarded all safety rules, you know?
Yeah, kind of just jump.
We tried to save
So I'm going this way?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
got it.
just going to follow them up until we get up to that rock.
Jack,
where-
maybe if you ask again, if he'll come up with an
I
easier
wasn't
way.
sure. I wasn't sure. I wasn't
then-
sure. Wait, so this way, right?
Yeah, that way.
Are
All
you
right,
sure?
now where's the easy way?
Quick, right up through there.
Cricket.
That's the one thing you always have to think about doing this. Is you always have to get out again.
That was good, Jack.
Yeah,
Sounds
do
good.
it on your feet and then you can just kind of roll down a little bit, Jason. It opens up big time right here.
All right.
Down here in that down the road.
taking the only wrong way.
I go.
Hold on, just wait a little bit.
I go.
So where's he headed?
They're going down.
Now, we're gonna go out. I got my water bottle. Okay, we're gonna make a left there, up, left, up,
I always try to go up.
Listen, Evan, listen before you go.
and just go over until you can stand up in a hallway. And then just stand in the hallway.
Go, kiddos. No reaction to Don't start on the jump. No, man. Go.
Okay, now, a little more challenging way. And it's really not too bad, but at the end it's challenging because it squeezes. If you go down here to the end of this and you make a right, and just follow that all the way out. Okay, it'll start getting smaller and smaller towards the end until you have to climb up and out. Okay?
All the way to the end, take a right and climb over here.
Yeah, and just keep on going until you can't go any further.
Buddy, come on.
Take your time, stay with your buddy.
I
Yeah.
think maybe have the smaller kids go
Hey,
first.
buddy.
Yeah. I'd say, I'm sorry.
We'll meet you out there.
I would have said smaller kids go first, but y'all do the hit.
Actually, you guys will do better because at the end
Oh, it's like,
it's just to climb straight up.
oh, yeah.
But we're going to go this way, and
Just make sure you spot the little ones, Kev, all right?
I got
hopefully be there before they do. Just over. We came and went to your left. You go down.
Oh, I'm going down?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, they're not coming this way. Good. Yeah, we'll beat them. Yeah.
Am I going right or left?
Left. We're gonna go down. I wanna wait here when they come up. That's to the left.
Where are they coming up? From here?
I know, we're right here.
You can go down right here. Back. It's easier. Hey guys.
we go up here?
You can go up here, you can go down further and climb up any way you want.
No, I'm gonna go down.
Chest.
Let me just hold on to that shelf in front of you and slide down. That's it. All right, we're going this way here. This way out.
I'm glad we brought you.
I'm glad I have the map memorized. Here we go. You go. Just hold on to that stump. Put both legs over and slide down this way. Just aim for this rock here. Okay? That's it. That's it. Very good, guys. Hold on to that stump. Put your legs over. Slide down for this rock
Oh,
here.
yeah, that is where we came from.
Over there. That's it. Guys are doing good. Hold on to that. Slide down here. Just aim for that. That's it. Guys doing good. You went the tight way. Yeah, it really gets tight here.
Is this like adapted to the start?
If you come down here, so you just sit here, hold on to that stump, put your legs over here. You can slide down. You'll probably just step down easy. Just put your legs over. Aim over that way. Aim for this rock here.
Yes.
Okay, I got you. I got you. You're not going to go this way. There you go. You see what he did?
Yeah.
That's cool.
What do you do? Do what I'm doing. Kind of just.
Slide over. Slide down.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
Grab on this thing.